One additional quick note about using the YouTube autocomplete for keyword research is that you're also able to do a little bit of research about how those particular terms show up within search, and you're able to see all the different videos that are showing up under that keyword phrase, and you can take a quickly look at and see that how long that they've been on YouTube, and you can see the number of views that they've got. So some of these obviously are going to be very well-known channels, but then there's also some down here that might not be as well-known, and if you hover over, you can see a little bit more about the channel information. So this one here has only 56 subscribers. It's got 53 videos, but it is 6 years ago, so it's got 26,000 views. You can go down here as well, and you can see this one's 10 months ago. It's only got 480 subscribers, and it's got 15,000 views, so top 10 most hated songs. So some of these are definitely attainable rankings for YouTube. You can see also here there's additional ones been on here for a year. They have 185 subscribers, 506 videos, and they've got 81,000 views. So sometimes aiming for a mid-level, being happy with a mid-level range of views is a good way to kind of start out. Some videos will go viral, some won't. But aiming for a mid-level range of attainable target just by optimizing is a really good way to go when you are starting to create strategy for videos that you're going to be creating and up and coming. So overall, just within YouTube search, it's a really good way to do that keyword research that's essential for your YouTube marketing strategy. You can see how videos are performing for that keyword phrase, and you can tell the interest in those particular keyword phrases from users that are watching videos that are optimized for those keywords.